Why would anybody go through 10 miles of grueling obstacles to get just a silly headband? Today I want to educate you on the experience of the Tough Mudder. I've attended several of these as a spectator, and I tried to participate in one but didn't finish. My husband has completed 12 of them so far, so I'm pretty familiar with the event. There are many benefits to the Tough Mudder Challenge. Because of time constraints, I can only speak of a few today. I want to cover the physical and mental benefits, the team building qualities it teaches, and the charity that it supports. It helps build physical and mental endurance. That is the most important thing that I think. The first thing you notice when you pull up to the event is the mud and just the sheer magnitude of what's really going on, all of the people, the energy in the air. They have obstacles that push your physical limits, such as the Arctic enema, which is a large, a large tank filled with freezing cold ice water that you have to jump into. The mental exhaustion that you go to makes you want to give up, but you have to push through. The electric shock therapy is another event that they have, and there's a bunch of wires that hang down, and you have to run through them, and they shock you. It helps create a team environment, and no one gets left behind. The obstacles that promote the team environment, such as Mount Everest, is it's like a big half pipe that you have to run up and try and get to the top. There's a bunch of people that help hang down and pull you up, pull people through. It's kind of like a chain, and everybody feels like they're supported, and they make sure that nobody gets left behind. And it also creates camaraderie through the shared goal. Everybody just wants to finish. This isn't a race. It's not something that you time. It's just really about completing the challenge itself. Doesn't matter if it takes 2 hours or 6 hours. It is also charity driven. The Wounded Warrior Project is the charity that this supports. Since 2010, in the United States alone, they've donated $6.5 million to the Wounded Warrior Project. And that helps wounded veterans transition back to the U.S. soil. That's what that charity does. So to sum it up, I have a short video that will help describe this a little bit better than I did. And I'll let you see it right now.
Marathon, the triathlon. Let me tell y'all something. This is that. That's gonna take all you got. I hope you brought it. If you brought it, give me a hoorah. Hoorah! You're gonna test your fitness today. Hoorah! Hoorah! Test your stamina. Hoorah! Hoorah! Toughness. Hoorah! Hoorah! Right. Hoorah! Do that mental grit. Give me a loud hoorah! Hoorah!
So if you saw in the video, the guy that was trying to hype up the crowd many times, that guy, my husband actually knows him. His name's Jamie. It showed you the electric shock therapy event. I don't know if you guys saw that, and the Mount Everest was in there also. So hopefully I've described some of the obstacles, and you've seen how physically and mentally challenging this event really is. I hope that you have noticed the charitable work that they've done also. So now that I've shared the details behind the coveted orange headband, I hope if you guys see somebody with one next time out in the streets or whatever, give them a high five, because it really did take a lot to get. Thank you.